Hello, adventurers and tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in wearable technology. Today, we're unpacking all the buzz surrounding Garmin's highly anticipated Fenix 8. If you're into adventure watches or just love keeping up with cutting edge tech, you're in the right place. We've got the inside scoop on the Fenix 8, from its confirmed specs and groundbreaking features to its expected release date. Don't go anywhere because this is going to be one thrilling ride. One of the most exciting upgrades in the Fenix 8 is its display. Garmin is reportedly moving away from the traditional EMIP, memory and pixel display, to a stunning AMOLED screen. If you're familiar with AMOLED, you know that this means richer colors, deeper blacks, and a sharper overall display. Garmin has always been a leader in health tracking, and the Fenix 8 is expected to continue that trend with several new enhancements. Rumors suggest an upgraded ECG sensor that provides more accurate heart health data. This could be a significant step forward for those who rely on their smartwatch for health monitoring. The Fenix 8 is rumored to feature enhanced water resistance, making it dive-ready right out of the box. Whether you're into snorkeling, diving, or just want a watch that can handle a splash, the Fenix 8 has you covered. Garmin knows that one size does not fit all, especially when it comes to adventure watches. That's why the Fenix 8 is expected to come in 3 different sizes, catering to a wide range of wrist sizes and preferences. Garmin has long been the king of adventure watches, but the landscape is becoming increasingly competitive. Brands like Coros and Suunto are making significant strides in the market, offering their own takes on the ultimate adventure watch. According to the latest leaks and rumors, the Fenix 8 is expected to be officially announced in September 2024, with availability shortly thereafter. Some online retailers have even listed the Fenix 8 with a release date pointing to early September, which aligns with Garmin's typical release schedule. The Fenix 7 series had a starting price of around $699, with higher-end models reaching up to $999, depending on the materials and features. So there you have it. The Garmin Fenix 8 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting smartwatch releases of the year. What are your thoughts on the Garmin Fenix 8? Are you as excited as we are about the upcoming features? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for